Yamanyinde. My name is Glenn Duncan. I'm the Manager of RAP Programs Implementation for Transport New South Wales. I'm proud to say that I've been part of the Aboriginal Language Soundbites app, which was part of the Bright Ideas Pitch to the Panel program within Transport New South Wales. The Aboriginal Language Soundbites app is a simple and engaging tool that helps our people access and learn key cultural information across many regions in New South Wales. Through this app, our people can look up locations, find out the local Aboriginal nations, clan groups and languages in those areas, and the greetings for hello and goodbye in those languages. We encourage our people to learn some Aboriginal language so that they can incorporate it into acknowledgements of country and into their everyday greetings. It's been a privilege to work on this program and this project so that we can increase cultural knowledge for our people. And proud to say that the app has been very well received with everyone across our organisation. So Marabu, which is thank you in Gamilaroi language.
I'm Tori Jelassic, and I'm a proud Gadigal and Darug woman. The Darug word for hello is Warami. The Darug word for hello is wa-ra-mi. Thank you for learning some Aboriginal language.
At Transport for New South Wales, we recognise Aboriginal people are the traditional custodians of the lands we work on.
Aboriginal people have been caring for
and travelling along this country
for tens of thousands of years.